Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic. Does reading in the dark damage your eyes? Yes, by reading effort in the dark may cause a strain in eye muscles. If you were ever caught reading in the low light or using a torch under the bed cover to read after the light out, your parents might well have warned you that straining your eyes would damage your eyesight. Don't read in the dark. You will hurt your eyes. Will reading in low light won't cause lasting damage to your vision. It can cause eye strain, just like any muscles in the body. The eye can get weak in overworked position. Symptoms of eye strain includes tired eyes, headache, itchy eyes, blurred vision, and increased sensitivity to light. Eye strain can lead to a headache. It can also cause watery or dry eyes. Reading in the dark, your eyes may get tired. Eye strain is a muscle strain which can happen when
The
your
next
muscle
station
works very
is
hard.
Sevenoaks.
You may get strained leg muscles after a long run. Reading in the dim light cause eyes to become tired faster. Causes of eye strain: feeling stressed or tired, reading prolonged period of time, looking at digital screen for too long. So don't do which can cause eye strain. Don't watch too much TV. Don't work at a computer for too long. Don't read too small prints. Don't struggle to see in an inadequate environment. Don't being exposed to bright lights or a glare. Don't expose eyes to dry or cold moving air. Don't expose eyes to fan or AC system. Don't expose eyes to heater. All these expose cause eyes to dehydrate, and this can lead to pain or swelling in the eyes. Myth: reading in dim light will worsen your vision. Fact: dim light will tire your eyes more quickly. The best way to use a desk lamp light by positioning directly at the reading material. Myth: doing eyes exercise will delay the need of glasses. Fact: eye exercises will not improve vision or reduce the need for glasses, because vision depends on the shape of your eyes and health of the eye tissues, none of which can alter with the eye exercises. Reading a smaller print can damage your eye or wear them out. Reading a smaller print may cause eyes strain but will not damage your eyes. It's better to buy books with larger print. Or use a digital tool like tablet or e-reader that all allows you to change font sizes. If reading on the digital device, use 20-20-20 rule, which can prevent eye problems. Rule says for every 20 minutes spend looking at a screen, then you can look something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Using 20-20-20 rule while reading on a digital device is a great way to have a frequent breaks. Reading in the dark mode can harm your eyes, so stop using dark mode. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Hope you have enjoyed YouTube series. Bye bye.